पार्ट 3 फर्स्ट पेपर 2015 रिलेटिविटी एंड स्टैटिकल फिजिक्स सेक्शन है. What was the objective of Michelson-Morley experiment? State the principle of experiment. What differences were drawn from this experiment? Derivative derive an expression of distribution of n particles into compartment of energy state which are subdivided into g cells of equal a priori probability. दूसरा, define phase space. How is the phase divided into phase cells? Calculate the number of the phase cell in given energy range. O2 belongs to of one dimensional harmonic oscillator. तीसरा, obtain expression for the Fermi energy, the total energy and density of states from a free electron gas in one dimension. Section B, derive Lorentz transformation equation. Derive Einstein mass energy relation is equal to mc square where the symbolic and their usual meaning. How fast should a rocket moves relative to one observer in order that its length may appear to observer to be 99% of its paper length. अथवा करके at what speed should a clock be moved so that it may be appear loss 4 minutes in each. पचमा, discuss the following. A, principle of the equal priori probability. Assemble and ensemble states. Discuss how probability distribution of n particle becomes narrow as the number of particles increases. What do you understand by microstate and macrostate of the system? Calculate the total number of different microstate. A microstate corresponding to the distribution of 4 distinct particles in 2 cells. 10 discuss particles are disturbed in the compartment. Thus, first compartment is divided into 4 cells, second into 3 cells, and third compartment into the cells. All have equal to priori probability, and there is restriction imposed on the number of the particles falling in a cell. Calculate the thermodynamic probability of following macrostate. 10, 0, 0, 4, 3, 3. Discuss the Boltzmann relation between entropy probability. Proof the number of molecules n1 ni is the cell having belongs to given the equation n suffix में इसको lambda e के खाते epsilon suffix में बटा kt where lambda is equal to e खाते minus alpha is constant and the symbolic at their us meaning. Proof that law of equal partition of the energy in with the help of Boltzmann canonical distribution law. Now write the basic assumption of the Boltzmann, Bose, Einstein and Fermi Dirac. 10. Write a short notes of Doppler broadening of spectral line. 10. Calculate the means of roots mean square speed of nitrogen molecules at 27 degrees Celsius temperature given n equal to 6 × 1023 molecules moles and Boltzmann constant k equal to 1.38 × 1023 joule प्रति केल्विन. 10. So the distribution of 3 particles in 3 different cells according to Maxwell, Boltzmann, Bose, Einstein or Fermi Dirac statistics. Second paper 2015 solid state and nuclear physics. First, explain the terms space, lattice, basis and unit cell in the description of crystal structure. दूसरा, derive a formula determine the separation between successive lattice. C, calculate the interplanar spacing 3,2,1 plane in simple cubic lattice with lattice constant 4.2 -8 semi. Derive dispersion relation of vibration in the geometric linear expression total optical absolute modes. दूसरा, discuss the phenomena of radioactive state, the law of radioactive disintegration and derive Rutherford-Soddy law. Radioactivity integration also explain the half of the time period radioactive substance. What do you means by elementary particle? Discuss the characteristic property of the elementary particle. Section B, what are Miller indices? How are they determined? Explain the diamond of HCb crystal structure. चौथा, what is the meant by reciprocal lattice? What do you reciprocal lattice of FCC lattice is BCC lattice. Obtain Bragg's diffraction condition in the term of reciprocal lattice. पांचवा, derive the expression for the convection energy of an ion crystal. What do you mean by effective mass of an electron? Explain its physical significance. So that energy average kinetic energy of particle of the three-dimensional free electron gas at 0 K is E naught is equal to 3/5. इस में भी फर्मी एनर्जी E naught is equal to 3/5. इस में what is Hall effect? Derive the expression of the Hall effect of coefficient metal. Explain binding energy. Calculate the binding energy in eV of deuteron 1s2 nucleus given the mass of proton 1h1 1.00845 AMU. Mass of neutron 0n1 is equal to 1.008987 AMU. Mass of deuteron 1s2 atoms is equal to 2.01474 AMU and 1 AMU is equal to 931 megavolt. What are the nuclear pores? Describe their property. Describe the basis feature of liquid draft model of the nucleus. Now, the half of the radon in 3.8 days. After how many days will 1/10 of the mass of the sample of substance remain behind? Now, describe the nuclear fusion of and fusion. Write short notes of Ginger Muller counter. Describe the construction and working of cyclotron. What is the nuclear reactor? Explain the part of the nuclear reactor. BSc Part 3 third paper 2015 physics solid state electronics. What do you understand by JFET and MOSFET? Describe construction and working of the n channel JFET n channel distribution MOSFET. Draw its drain and transfer characteristic. दूसरा, what is the transistor biasing? Name the various methods of transfer biasing. Draw a circuit diagram of potential divider biasing, explaining it working and derive an expression for substability factor. दूसरा, what is Zener diode? Discuss the Zener breakdown, avalanche breakdown. What is the Zener diode used at a voltage regulator? What are the hybrid parameters? How are these parameters helpful in the analysis of transistor circuit? Explain and the help of an example. Section B. Verify. Describe light emitting diode LED. Difference between insulator and metal and semiconductor. The basic band theory. What is the tunnel diode? Explain its working. What a potential barrier developed at a junction of diode. Pachma, a transistor so that alpha is equal to beta 1 plus beta. Explain Y parameters. Define into input impedance, output impedance and forward current gain. Discuss the action of PNP, NPN, a transistor amplifier in ground emitter configuration. What do you understand by frequency response and amplitude and bandwidth the an amplifier? What are class A, class B and class C types of amplifier? What are positive and negative feedback? Discuss disadvantage of negative feedback. State and explanation. Bronckhardt criterion. Now give the circuit diagram for JFET. Characteristic. Draw its drain and transfer characteristic of n channel JFET. Explain the working of SCR. A JFET has IDDS 20 megavolt. Add what gate source voltage V सब इसमें GS its drain current B 5 मेगा एम्पियर. its pinch off voltage 4.2 वोल्ट. अथवा राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑफ सोलर सेल. BSc फर्स्ट पेपर 2016 रिलेटिविटी एंड स्टैटिकल फिजिक्स. What are the postulates of special theory of relativity? Derive Lorentz transformation equation. Explain the phenomena of time dilation. अथवा है derive an expression of distribution of n particle into k unequal size compartment of energy state which are substituted into G cells are equal the priori probability in the same particle and distribute in k particle of equal size. Then what will be probability of disturbance? अथवा with the help of Boltzmann chemical distribution, what do you prove? That the number of molecules n suffix में I in a cell having energy E1 is given by n I is equal to lambda E minus E I बटा के टी where lambda is constant and the symbolic have their usual meaning. Explain the assumption of Bose-Einstein static derive Bose-Einstein distribution law. Structure B state the principle of Michelson-Morley experiment. What inferences were drawn from this experiment? Derive the Einstein mass energy relation E equal to mc square where symbol have their usual meaning. चौथा, a particle of rest mass m0 moves with velocity 0.6 where c is the speed of light. There calculate its moment kinetic energy a total number. A particle have a velocity u bar is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 12 के मीटर प्रति सेकेंड in the frame difference moving with velocity 0.8 c relative to laboratory along plus v direction of x axis. Find u bar is the laboratory frame in reference. पांचवा, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स आर द फॉलोइंग. पहला, डिसअसेंबल एंड इनसेंबल स्टेट डॉपलर ब्रॉडिंग ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन. डिस्कस हाउ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डेविएशन फ्रॉम मोस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी स्टेट डिक्रीजेज एट द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल इंक्रीजिंग. छठवां, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय माइक्रोस्टेट एंड मैक्रोस्टेट ऑफ एन system? Calculate the total number of different macrostate and microstate corresponding to the distribution of the distinguishable particles in the two different cells. Difference between probability and thermodynamic probability. 7 particles are distributed into two compartments A and B with same priori probability. Calculate the probability of distribution 4,3 and 2,5. 7. Obtain the condition of equilibrium between two systems in thermal contact. Deduce the Boltzmann relation between the entropy and thermodynamic probability. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Discuss the statistical interpretation of second law of thermodynamics. Define phase space and phase cell. Calculate the number of phase cell in the given energy range 0 to E of the free particle of mass m moving in value v. Now, what are the distinguishing features of Bose-Einstein, Fermi, Dirac, and Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics? So the distribution of two particles in 3 different cells according to MB, Bose-Einstein, and FD statistics. Dasma, derive the expression R means speed, the root means square speed of the gas molecule with the help of Maxwell-Boltzmann law of distribution speed. So that the average energy of an electron gas is 3/5 E sub इसमें F, where E sub इसमें F is the Fermi energy. BSc सेकेंड पेपर 2016 फिजिकल सॉलिड स्टेट एंड न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स. What are symmetry operation? Explain the meaning of fold rotation axis and n-fold screw axis. Are so that the BCC structure the cube edge in the A is equal to 4r बटा के अंडर रूट 3 where r is the atomic radius. So that the reciprocal lattice of BCC in FCC lattice. So that the made long constant for the one-dimensional array of ions alternating sign with a distance between two successive ions in equal to 2 log 2. What is Hall effect? Find the expression of Hall coefficient metal. दूसरा, what is the nuclear reaction which a neat sketch discuss in various components and their function. Explain half period of a radioactive element of a derived expression for it. The long will it the sample of radium D to decrease to 8% if its half life is 22 years. What is the 4 fundamental forces of nature? Compare their strength and range. Calculate the binding energy per nucleon in 6c12 masses. Photon, neutron and electron are 1.007276, 1.008665 and 0.00055 U respectively, and the masses of 6c12 atom is 12 U. Discuss the structure of diamond cubic unit cell. What are beryllium zone? Discuss the formation of beryllium zone for a linear lattice. चौथा, using Ewald construction so that diffraction condition in reciprocal lattice is exactly equivalent to 2d sin theta equal to n lambda in the direct lattice. The X-ray of wavelength 0.71 angstrom are diffracted in second order by 110 plane of rock salt cubic crystal outside 2.82 angstrom. Calculate the glazing angle of X-ray. Pachma, discuss silence feature of Einstein theory of specific heat of solids. Calculate Fermi energy of electrons on 0 के for a metal with electron density of 10⁻28 मीटर/3 given H = 6.36 × 10⁻34 जूल सेकेंड and m = 9.1 × 10⁻31 kg. So that the effective mass of electron in the an energy band is given 1/m = 1/h d²e/dk², where the symbol have usual meaning. On the basis of band theory, solid is differentiable amount metal, semiconductor and insulators. Explain the term of mass effect. How is it linked with the binding energy of the atom? Define the nuclear magnetic moment. Mention 3 experimental observed property of neutron. दूसरा, state free similarity between an atomic nuclear and a liquid drop. Non disguised between nuclear fission of fusion. What do you mean by elementary particle? Classify them. What is Q value of nuclear reaction? Can we use Van de Graaff generator and accelerator electrons and protons? BSc Part 3 थर्ड पेपर 2016 का solid state and electronics. What is tunnel diode? Describe the behavior of tunnel diode, forward and reverse bias. Draw the VI characteristic curve of such a diode and gives its usage. What do you understand by common emitter configuration? Explain the transistor parameter in CE mode. Draw the characteristic curve of the transistor in CE. Draw the circuit diagram of class A direct coupled power amplifier so that the dissipation in the transistor maximum under quiescent condition. Also the obtain expression for the maximum efficiency of the current. Why is the field effect transistor called a unipolar transistor? Describe the construction of n-channel JFET. Explain its principle of operator. Draw the general characteristic of JFET. Section B. Verify. Describe general diode. Describe photodiode. चौथा, describe the formation of depletion layer. Verify expression. Explain thermistor. पांचवा, what do you understand by hybrid parameter? Explain Y parameter. What do you understand by diffusion coefficient? Explain the principle of feedbacks in amplifier. What are negative or positive feedback? Give the potential divider, transistor biasing and explain its advantage. Explain frequency response curve. Explain distortion amplifier. What are class A, class B, class C type of amplifier? 2017 का physics relativity static field. Describe the Michelson-Morley experiment. What interference draw the from this experiment? Explain phase space and phase cell so that the equilibrium state number of the molecules in the cell. Energy epsilon space में is given by n space में = a e minus epsilon by I बटा kT. State the derivative of comparison energy. Define elimination and application. Explain the assumption of Fermi-Dirac energy. Derive Fermi-Dirac law. Section B. Write Lorentz transformation equation and show that the for value of V Lorentz transformation approach the Gaussian transformation. Using Lorentz transformation equation, obtain the law addition velocity. Deduction of the velocity with the help of particle will be time the mass rest. Calculate the effective mass of the photon wavelength 1 angstrom. Define probability and prove that the probability of a composite event is equal to the product of probability of individual and independent event. The probability of distribution of n particle is 2 boxes is equal part will be the probability of maximum and minimum distribution. What do you understand by priori probability and thermodynamic probability of distribution? 3 particles are distributed in 3 compartments of equal size. Find the number of microstate in A microstate 0, 0, 3 and B microstate 1, 2, 0. Differentiation between microcanonical, canonical and grand canonical ensemble. Prove that the minimum size of the phase is H2. Derive the condition beta 1 is equal to beta 2 for the equilibrium of two states in thermal contact. ओम ई इक्वल टू 4/2 पाई V बटा HQ m कहते 3/2 E कहते 1/2 डेल्टा I फॉर द सिंगल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ द मास m enclosed in balloon V so that The number of assemble microstate in the energy E to E plus dE is given by ohm. E is equal to 400 में 2 pi v बटा h q m के घाते 3 बटा 2 e घाते 1/2 delta E. Derive the expression of most probable speed of molecules with the help of the Maxwell-Boltzmann law of distribution speed that prove v sub में RMS is greater than v bar is greater than v sub में mp, where v sub में RMS is equal to root mean square speed, v bar is equal to mean speed. Avogadro number is equal to 26 kg into mole का इनवर्स. कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द रूट मीन स्क्वायर विथ वेलोसिटी हाइड्रोजन ऑफ एनटीपी के इसको 1.38 × 10⁻³ जूल प्रति डिग्री एंड एवोगाड्रो नंबर इसको 26 kg मोल इनवर्स. प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन पार्टिकल, हाइड्रोजन एटम, हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल, पॉजिट्रॉन, लिथियम आयन, 3 Li7 होल्स. दूर से क्लासीफाई द फॉलोइंग पार्टिकल अकॉर्डिंग टू बोथ आइंस्टीन एंड फर्मी डिराक स्टेटिक. प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन पार्टिकल, हाइड्रोजन एटम्स, हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल, पॉजिट्रॉन, लिथियम आयन, 3 Li7++ होल्स. द फर्मी एनर्जी ऑफ सिल्वर एट 0 के इज 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. फाइंड द एवरेज एनर्जी ऑफ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन इन सिल्वर, एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. BSc पार्ट 3 एग्जामिनेशन 2017 सेकंड पेपर 160. एक्सप्लेन सिंपल क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर विथ एग्जाम्पल. डिस्कस आल्सो रीजन फॉर occurrence in non-ideal crystal structure. Describe the rotating crystal methods from crystal structure analysis. What are the advantages of methods? Give a brief count of ion crystal. Discuss a binding energy in an atom in ionic crystal and obtain an expression of cohesive energy. Discuss quantitatively the motion of electron in the periodic lattice and explain how it leads to the origin of energy bands and the forbidden bands is solid. Compare the 4 fundamental forces of the nature on the basis of their state, range and nature. Exchange particle envelope in the case. Draw a curve indicating the variation of binding energy per nucleus as a function of mass number of nuclei. For this curve, explain the energy released in nuclear fission and fusion process. Section B. What is Miller indices and how are they determined? Derive an expression for interplanar spacing in terms of Miller indices in a crystal. Chauथा. Derive diffraction of condition by evolved methods in the crystal. Explain reciprocal lattice. Find reciprocal lattice to FCC crystal. पांचवा. Explain hydrogen bounded crystal in example. Obtain expression for paramagnetic susceptibility and discuss it. Explain effective mass of electrons in semiconductor. Explain Hall effect in metals. Calculate the value of Hall coefficient. Discuss the basic principle of Bernstein mass spectrograph. Examination 2017 physics second paper solid state electronics. Explain the meaning of depletion layer, potential barriers, junction capacitance of p-n junction. Find the expression of widths of depletion layer. Describe with necessary theory of Ebers-Moll models transistor and hence find Ebers-Moll equation. Discuss between power amplifier and voltage and draw circuit diagram of class B pull amplifier and the expression of the collector efficiency. What is SCR? Describe the construction and working of a SCR. Describe its use and half wave rectifier. Section B. Describe verify the working of tunnel diode. Discuss the mechanism of breakdown in p-n junction diode. How is Zener diode used as a voltage regulator? Explain the working of LED photodiode. Stabilize the relation 1 minus alpha 1 plus beta is equal to 1 for a transistor where parameters have their usual meaning. Deduct the following equation of transistor. Gamma is equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha is equal to beta plus 1. What are hybrid parameter? Draw as parameter equivalent circuit of a transistor in C configuration. Explain transistor timing and lifetime of minority charge carrier. Discuss mixed type of biasing of transistor for large signal of pressure. Draw AC equivalent circuit of a two-stage SCE transistor amplifier. Explain the thermal runway of transistor, how it removes. Enumerate the difference between positive and negative feedback. Now, explain the working of UJT. Mention each user to compare quality of the input impedance of BJT, JFET and MOSFET. What is junction field effect transistor? Give the structure N-channel JFET. What is phototransistor? Draw its circuit diagram and its working. BSc Part 3 Physics First Paper 2018. What is difference between inertial and non-inertial frame of reference? Obtain the Galileo transformation of the velocity of body and show that Newton's second law of invariant under transformation. Derive an expression for distribution of n particle in unequal size compartment of energy states which are the subequal into G cells of equal of a priori probability in the same particle distribution into G cells of equal a priori probability if the same particles distributed in K size compartment, then the what will probability in distribution. Define phase space. How is the phase space divided into phase cell? Calculate the number of the phase cell in the given energy to epsilon for one dimensional harmonic oscillator. What do you mean by Fermi level and Fermi energy? Obtain expression for the Fermi energy, the total energy of density states for a free electron gas is one dimensional system. Section B. What is the concept of either states? Propose the principle of Michelson-Morley experiment. What are the basic postulates of the special theory of relativity? So that x square plus y square plus z square minus c square t square invariant under Lagrange transformation. What do you understand by the length construction? Find the percentage construct of 1 meter rods moving with a velocity of 0.8 c incline of 60 degree to the one length where c is the velocity of light. Derive the Einstein mass energy relation is equal to mc square where the symbol have their usual meaning. What do you means by constants? Discuss ensemble and ensemble state. Discuss the probability of distribution of n particle becomes narrow as the number of particles increasing. Explain macrostate and microstate of the any system. There explain. Calculate the total number of different microstate and macrostates corresponding to the distribution of 4 divisible particles into different cells. Obtain the condition of equilibrium between two systems in thermal context. Stabilize the Boltzmann relation between entropy and thermodynamic probability. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Give the statistical interpretation of law. Discuss the Boltzmann canonical distribution law and mention its application. Disguise among probable speed RMS speed and means. Write a short notes on the Doppler Brownian spectral lines. Define Boltzmann and Fermions. Give example. Compare the Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. 2000 फिजिक्स 2018 का है. सॉलिड एंड न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स. What the lattice plane? How are they represented in terms Miller indices? Calculate the ratio of the separation between planes in simple cubic crystals. 100, 110, 111. What do you understand by effective mass of an electron? Obtain the expression for it. Explain its significance also. What is the radioactive? Discuss the law of radioactive disintegration. Explain the terms half-life and average life applied to radioactive substance. Find the relation between them. What is the nuclear reactor with a lead stage? Discuss its various components and their functions. Section B. What are symmetry operations? Explain the meaning of n rotation axis and n fold axis. Discuss the structure of diamond cubic unit cell. So that the reciprocal lattice of BCC in the FCC lattice. what is beryllium zone? Discuss the formation of beryllium zones of a linear lattice. What is hydrogen bond? Explain the bond with example. Uh, what is Hall effect? Find the expression of Hall effect coefficient of a metal. On the basis of band theory, solid differentiate among metal, semiconductor and insulator. Differentiate between a crystal and an amorphous solid. What is primitive cell space lattice? Explain the terms of mass effect, how is linked with the binding energy of atom. Explain property of neutron. On the basis of liquid drop matter, develop the Bethe-Weierstrass mass formula. Write about Fermi theory of beta decay. Now, what is the difference between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion? What is Q value of nuclear reaction? Explain the working of Van de Graaff generator. What do you mean by elementary particle? Classify them. 2018 solid state electronics. JFET. What do you understand by field effect transistor? JFET and MOSFET. Explain the construction of and working of n-channel enhancement mode. MOSFET. Draw the structure characteristic curve. What do you mean by hybrid parameter? How are parameters helpful in the analysis of a transistorized circuit? Stubble example. What is an amplifier? Draw the circuit diagram of a class A direction coupled power amplifier so that the dissipation in transistor in maximum under quiescence condition. Also obtain expression of the maximum efficiency of the circuit. What do you understand by common emitter and common based configuration? Explain the transistor parameter in the comparison emitter mode. Draw the characteristic curve in CE mode. Difference between insulator metals and semiconductor on basis of the band theory. Explain the formation of the repletion layer p-n junction diode. SCR. Describe the construction of SCR. What is UJT? Give an application of UJT. Explain the working of solar cell. Verify. Describing light emitting diode LED. Explain by parameter. What is transistor biasing? Draw a circuit diagram of potential divider biasing. Explain how a Zener diode is used as a voltage regulator. What is tunnel diode? Explain its working. What are negative and positive feedback respectively? Describe its advantage. Beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Stabilize the relation beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha as shown that is less always than unity. Verify. Describing the construction of depletion the MOSFET so that the depletion MOSFET is used as a enhancement MOSFET. Draw the circuit diagram of JFET amplifier. What do you understand by thermistor? What do you mean by integrated circuit? Explain. Verify. 2019 physics first paper. Describe the Michelson-Morley experiment and discuss the various interpolations given the negative result obtained in the experiment. What do you mean by constructions of system assemble and ensemble microstate? B. Explain the postulate of a priori probability so that the energy of one-dimensional harmonic oscillator whose position coordinates in x and momentum is p sub s is equal to p sub s square bata 2m plus 1 by 2 k x square. What is trajectory of oscillation in x p sub s phase cell space? Calculate that the number of phase cell in the given energy range for the oscillator. What are postulates of Bose-Einstein static? Derive the and use deduction Planck's constant radiation. Section B. Calculate the effective mass of a photon wavelength 1 angstrom. Derive the Einstein mass energy relation is equal to mc square where the symbol have their usual meaning. Using Lorentz transformation equation, obtain the law of addition of velocity. A particle of rest mass m0 is moving with velocity 0.6 c where c is the speed of light. Calculate the momentum, kinetic energy and total energy. Prove that the minimum size of the phase cell is HQ. Differential between micro-canonical, canonical and grand canonical ensemble. Define Boson and Fermions. Give their example. Comparison the Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. Write a short notes of Doppler broadening of spectral lines. so that the average energy of an electron in an electron gas in 3/5 E⁻, where E⁻ is Fermi energy. What is the law of thermodynamics? Discuss the statistical interpretation of second law of thermodynamics. Prove Boltzmann theorem connecting entropy and probability. S is equal to K log omega, where S is entropy and K is Boltzmann constant. Now, explain microstate and microstate of any system with their example. Now, what is the difference between classical and quantum statistics? Calculate the value of root mean square speed of molecule hydrogen at NTP, where K is equal to 1.3 - 10 जूल प्रति डिग्री और गंधरो नंबर 6 × 10 - 26 kg मोल प्रति इनवर्स. Explain the assumption of Fermi-Dirac distribution. BSc Part 3 2019 फिजिक्स सेकंड पेपर ट्रेडिशनल मिलर HKL so that the indices distance between successive plane of a Miller indices h, k, l by d sub HKL is equal to h square बटा k square plus k square बटा v square plus l square बटा c square -1/2, where a, b, c are primitive vector and lattice. Then hence so that the cubic lattice is expression value reducing d sub HKL is equal to a बटा के अंडर रूट में h square plus k square plus c square. Describing Kronig-Penney model for a motion of electron in a periodic potential. What it means by density of energy state. दूसरा, describe liquid drop model of nucleus obtained based spectral semi-empirical mass formula by giving the meaning of each terms in it. Discuss the working principle of a cyclotron and explain with the help of neat diagram how this device is used to producing high energy charge particle. Obtain the expression for the energy of an ion. Section B, describe the three typical lattice of an in crystal cube. What are the lattice plane? How are they represent in the terms of Miller indices? चौथा, derive Bragg's law of X-ray diffraction in crystal. Discuss the probability of reciprocal lattice. What is Madelung constant? Calculate the value of Madelung constant and linear ionic lattice. What is the meaning of cohesive energy of ionic crystal? Estimate the cohesive energy of NaCl crystal. Explain the Einstein model of specific heat. Explain the meaning of beryllium zone. Displace the range of first beryllium zone in terms of the lattice constant A. What are nuclear force? Describe their property. Explain the size of nucleus. Describe the construction and working of Bainbridge mass spectrograph. Discuss about the merits and demerits of the cell model. Define means life and half-life of a radioactive element. Obtain their relation with decay constant. Now, explain the convergence law in nuclear reaction. What is the difference between a compound nuclear and direct nuclear reaction? Explain the particle of GM counter. Give an account of 4 type particle interaction. Third paper, electronics. Describe the open circuit PN junction. Explain the meaning of depletion layer, potential barrier and junction capacitance of PN junction. Find the expression of with dispersion layer. What do you understand by break down diode? Describe Zener diode and avalanche characteristic with graph. What a phototransistor in active region? Write the expression of character current. Define all terms. Sketch the family of output characteristics. Write the difference between current amplifier, power amplifier and voltage amplifier. Draw the circuit diagram of the class B push amplifier and obtain an expression collector efficiency. Explain the concept of the energy band in solid. Describe the valence band, conduction band and forbidden energy band with the help of the diagram. What do you understand by semiconductor? What is intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor? Defined with example. What is the basic difference in UJT and BJT? What write down the working of UJT. Explain class A and class B operation. Describe how temperature affected the maximum power output in transistor. A Sketch the family of CB output characteristic of for a transistor. B. Explain the shape of the curve quantitatively. Give the order of magnitude of B subsequent BE contains voltage and silicon and germanium transistor. What do you understand by photodiode? Explain the working. Describe the FET and how it can be used in amplifiers. Explain mixed type biasing for small and large signal operations. What is SCR and describe its working phenomena. What is tunnel diode? Explain the working of phenomena of tunnel diode. What is point contact diode? Explain working. Now explain the effect of temperature or semiconductor. Explain S parameter in transistor. This one define alpha, beta, gamma transistor so that the alpha is always less than unity. What is operating point? Draw a DC load line on the output characteristic of transistor. Complete.